Welcome to CAD Concept. Today I will show you how you can design like this floor plan in just 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes. Yes. Watch till the end. This floor plan method is very unique. Must practice this method. This will save you a lot of time and effort. We will go completely automation. Auto walls, auto doors, windows, furniture layout, auto dimension and completely wall filling system. We will go completely automatic. This floor plan having number of 1 bedroom, kitchen, living and dining, hall and common bathroom. So we will design this completely from the very beginning. To proceed this method must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description, you can very simply download and you can proceed further. Must download YQArch 100 essential commands PDF book with complete facts and figure. This book will help you a lot to speed up your work. Let's begin. First we will draw complete center lines. Okay. Let this straight lines 1400 centimeter and down 800 centimeter. Okay. And let this side 300 centimeter down 300 centimeter. Again straight to minus x 800 centimeter up 500 centimeter 300 centimeter again and join. Okay. And let this line, this is our hall area, straight to here. And this is our bedroom. Then let this straight to here. Bedroom, this part let this copy 530 centimeter. So this is our bedroom. And kitchen will copy again. Let this 320 centimeter. Okay. So this is our kitchen. And this part let this trim. And this corner we are getting common bathroom. And this is dining area. And this side we are getting hall. Let this trim here also. So we are getting something like this, our complete center lines. Select all, explode by BA command. And these line, let this 5 centimeter up to fix our auto wall. So we have to leave that much gap over the line. 5 here also. So this is okay. We are getting something like this. Let this part trim not required. Our center line completely ready. We will make over the wall. Let this XWW command 20 centimeter outer wall, select all, enter. And rest of the part inside deselect because just outer we will keep 20 centimeter. Inner we will keep 10 centimeter. So our 20 centimeter wall ready. Let this 10 centimeter inner and just select inner only. Okay. Our wall is completely ready. We will make dimension one time. Let this double D double S command. Okay. Wherever you want, only select that lines. This one here. And this our dining area, wider dining. This is our attached bathroom. We are getting something like this, complete dimension. So this is okay. And we'll place auto door. Let this ADT command and come to here style. We'll select this one. Okay. And let this here. Width will provide 100 centimeter. Our entrance door 100 centimeter. Okay. And let this kitchen also 100 centimeter. Hall. Okay. And this is our bedroom 100 centimeter. For bathroom we will provide 90 centimeter. This opening, let this mirror another side. For bathroom we will provide 90 centimeter. Let this ADT command, hole and pier width, let this 90 centimeter. Okay. So this is our common bathroom. We are getting this corner and this is our attached bathroom for our bedroom. So this is okay. Our complete auto door will come something like this. Let this WD command and hole and pier width, let this 210 unit. Select from here style. We will keep window with cantilever. Select this one. Cantilever will provide 45 centimeter. And simply click center to center. As you can see here, this is our window with cantilever. We are getting something like this. This area will keep here also and one here also. And for bathroom, we'll keep 80 centimeter and let this one here and one here with cantilever. Our window is completely ready. Now we will place auto furniture layout. let this double J command, select bedroom and take complete rectangle. Okay, one corner to another corner, complete rectangle. Something like this. And by pressing B, you can change bed. By pressing C, you can change chair. And by pressing T, you can change TV set also. So this is okay. We are getting something like this. As you can see, our sketch plan is getting out. So this case, we will remove this one. Let this YG command and let this complete straight line. So you can fix in this area, something like this. Let this kitchen, double J command, select kitchen, take complete rectangle up to here, and just by dragging you can place your working area. Let this, you can change sink pressing S, C pressing cooker, you can change cooker style. So tile not required, let this T, you will press T, so tile will disappear. So this is okay, we are getting something like this. So these dimensions overlapping, let this move little bit over here, and we will fix our sofa set. Double J command, select living room and take complete rectangle, and by pressing S you can change your sofa style, something like this. So this is okay, we'll keep something like this. And TV set, you can press T, you will get different TV set. Double J command, let this toilet, okay, and take complete rectangle, and by pressing A continue, you will get different style, and which position suitable for you, you can place as per the requirement, something like this. So this is okay. Floor tile not required, you can simply remove floor tile by pressing T very smoothly. So this is okay. Double J command, select toilet, let this complete rectangle up to here, and by pressing A you can change your positioning. So this is okay, and pressing T, floor tile you can very smoothly remove. Our floor plan almost completely ready, and first we will fill over the wall. Let this WWF command, select all, enter. As you can see here, you can fill your wall something like this. Center line not required, remove. We will provide complete outer dimension. Double D GZ command, you can very simply provide complete outer dimension, something like this, as you can see here. So in one time you can provide complete outer dimension by double D GZ command. You will get wall to wall, window area, wherever inside opening area will come out, something like this, in just one time, as you can see here. Now we will provide text. Let this T command and simply let this hall here. We'll provide dining table here. So this area, okay, we are getting something like this. So by double J command, you can provide your auto furniture layout, something like this. As you can see here, we are ready with our floor plan. One bedroom, living, dining, hall and kitchen, attached bathroom for bedroom, and one common bathroom. After getting your final practice, you can reach this possibility very smoothly, how you can design like this floor plan from the very beginning in just 10 minutes. Yes, to proceed this method must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description, you can very simply download and you can proceed further. Must download YQArch 100 Essential Commands PDF book with complete facts and figure. This book will help you a lot to speed up your work. If you have any doubt, you can leave your comments. As soon as possible, I will reply your queries. If you want this practice drawing, let me comment section. I will share this link. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.